All right, so today is technically day 5 of my 100 days of TikTok challenge, in which I'm aiming to post at least one video at the very minimum. I'll typically be trying to do more than just one video, but at the very minimum, to not let a day go by where I'm not posting at least one video to TikTok, all right? And I'm looking to do that for 100 days straight. I started on the 23rd of September, so that's basically the last 100 days of 2025, right? But as I had mentioned before in previous videos, I like to cover everything up until the end of the day prior so that I have a full day's picture of everything that happened. So in this video, even though it's technically day 5, I'm covering everything that happened all the way up until the end of yesterday, day 4, right? Basically everything that happened on day 4, right? Which would have been September 26th. And I essentially ended the day, right? I ended the day at 310 subscribers, right? Not subscribers, followers, right? I always mix up. I'm on YouTube as well, right? Those of you who are watching on YouTube, you'll know that, right? But I'm so used to, and I have been doing YouTube for a lot longer than I have been doing TikTok, right? So I'm so used to saying subscribers as opposed to followers, but I'm at 300. No, I ended the day right at the time I went to bed at 310 followers on TikTok. Okay, and essentially I will keep on going, right? Trying to grow this account. Ultimately, I'm trying to grow my account for TikTok I'm trying to grow my TikTok account for digital marketing and affiliate marketing purposes, right? This is not just to grow an account for the sake of growing an account for all the various different reasons that people might do that. Right, I'm not looking to be an influencer or anything. I'm not looking to try to do brand deals, even though I won't say no if I ever got to a point where something like that came my way, but it's not something that I'm going after. For those of you who are wondering how I monetize the content that I create, I do it through selling digital products, right? I'm essentially in the digital marketing and affiliate marketing space, all right? And this account, again, this is going to be for those of you who are actually following closely, right? If you're someone who's actually following me closely, you will hear me repeat myself quite a bit in these videos, right? This series that I'm doing, where I'm trying to post the video at least once a day. Yesterday I ended up posting only one video, right? I did try to get a second video in before the day was over, but for whatever reason, in the process of uploading the video, I made some changes to the hashtag. Something went funny, and then when I eventually posted it, I only ended up getting one view, and it was not moving. It almost felt like like TikTok glitched or something, or my account glitched or whatever, but it was not moving, and it stayed on one view for a lot longer than I'm used to typically seeing when I do post a video. And I waited till the next day, that was this morning, and it was still on one view, so I knew something was wrong. I deleted the video, created another one, and when I created that other one and uploaded, then I started picking up views the way I normally would. So it ended up being that even though, yes, I can say I posted 2 videos yesterday, but the second one doesn't count because I deleted it. So I ended up only posting the one video, and the one video that I did post was the update video, essentially, on this 100 days of TikTok. And by the way, I did check, yes, in yesterday's video, I was like, I don't know whether this hashtag already exists, if I'm going to be the first person using it. When I went to go check on TikTok and upload it, I saw it's actually been used before, even though minimally, right? I think there was something like, there was less than 700 uses of that hashtag on TikTok, so it's a fairly new hashtag. So even though it's not brand new. So I'm saying this because I was thinking maybe it might have been my own new thing that I came up with, but absolutely not the case, right? That's what I always say. Whatever bright idea you always have, or anything that you think is a bright idea, it's very unusual. There's a very high likelihood that somebody has already thought about it and come up with it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna continue using that hashtag, so it'll be easy to just bunch all the videos together. It's 100 days of TikTok, and I realized in yesterday's video I said when I was spelling it out or trying to make more clearly what the hashtag was, I missed the word days, right? So it's 100 days of TikTok. Okay, so today I'm covering day 4. All right, and in a nutshell, just so I don't make this video way too longer than it needs to be. I ended up posting just one video yesterday. My follower count grew to like I ended the day at 310 followers, and that for the most part is just about it in terms of things that happened. None of the videos was, my videos tend to they tend to stay under 200 300 views every now and then. If I do have one that pops, that'll be the highlight, I guess. I can share that as well. But the one video that I created yesterday was a long form video like this one, and those don't typically tend to do so well on TikTok. Those are more suited for YouTube, but I've created the video anyway. Since TikTok has started taking long form videos in horizontal form, or they call it landscape form, I've created the video. I'm going to post it on TikTok as well anyway. So, but anyway, I really did not feel like posting this video at all. One thing I might touch on here as a reminder is this aspect of, I guess, discipline, so to speak, right? I've been up and down doing all kinds of stuff today. I referee youth, I referee soccer games on the weekends, and I do that usually like on the, it's just a quick thing, like a little extra side income type thing that I do, a little side hustle. I referee soccer games like maybe for 2 to 3 hours Friday nights, same thing, 2 to 3 hours Saturday nights, and then all day Sunday, right? And so I just came back from that, and I honestly did not feel like creating this video and posting it. But then I thought about the fact that, okay, I've already got 3 days behind me, and if I start skipping days this soon and not updating, I'll pretty much mess up. So I just kind of, is the whole aspect of discipline over motivation, right? There are going to be times that you do not feel like posting videos or doing whatever you need to be doing, and you've just got to suck it up and do it. And I guess I can give myself a little pat on the back for having done that today. But anyway, that's it for now. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put them in the comment section below. If you're interested in learning how to monetize your content by selling digital products that are, obviously you want to sell digital products that are related to the content that you're creating, I have a free training that you can get access to if you're watching on YouTube. It's going to be the first link in the description below this video. And if you're watching on TikTok, it's going to be in my profile, right? It's going to be the link in my bio. And if you're watching, if I do post this on any other of the socials that I'm on, it's just going to be the link in my profile. All right. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.